see, we are going to trim all that excess off so the much lower seat bases will fit to the Mark 1 seat rails a lot easier. So let's get out the angle grinder and get cutting. Right, first of all, installing the runners. Obviously the Suzuki Ignis, I hope that's the right way to pronounce it, seat bases aren't flat, so what I have done is, let's see if we can see in there, I've put in little 25mm raises in it, so it's, and then it's bolted down proper tight and whatnot. But yeah, see if you can see in there. Yeah, and then obviously where I've dismantled the sides here, it's a bit sharp, so I've picked up, let's try some of this, and some of this edging stuff. Swap hands. So then that will sit over the top of that, and it just looks tidy, but also just stops you from cutting your hands up every time you stick your hand down there. But yeah, let's jump on getting the other side fitted up, and then we'll mock up for getting the seat base bolted up as well. So yeah, the edging tape, it just tidies it up, but it also takes away the sharp edge. Right, so now both the runners are installed. You can now find that the handle doesn't fit. Now these are normally a press fit handle, but they don't seem to press fit very well, or I found they don't press fit very well. So I have resorted to bending them into place using a vise and whatnot, and that works very well. Now I'll show you. Right, hopefully this is the last time, and I'll be well and truly happy with how they fit. That should cover it. Do us a favour and give us a quick like, it all helps in the YouTube algorithm, and if you're enjoying what you're watching, then please do give us a subscribe, it all helps the channel.
When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice.
The runners themselves come with a load of bolts that are sufficient enough for bolting the seat bases.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
Right, so now it's all fit. See, I'm backing out a little bit. I had to make some finer adjustments here. I missed by millimeters, but just a bit of safety and everything else. I put a bigger washer on there, but that is now the base is on there, and all I've got to wait for now for it to stop raining so I can actually get out there and fit it to the car.
2,000 years later.
set you free. Show you what this world can really be. Here with me, I could set you free. Off the pain and misery and let you be.
It's a bit fiddly getting it in the runners.
Here with me.
Once it's in and started, the hard work done mostly.
I could set you free. Show you what this world can really be. Here with me, I could set you free. Off the pain.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm well and truly happy with the end results of these seats. I mean, just check it out. It's yeah, I think they suit the Mark 1 so well. Alright, so thanks for watching. Again, if you don't mind liking, and if you enjoy what you're watching, subscribe, and we will speak to you again very soon. I think next on the list is a good clean, because this lot's been sat in the garage getting filthy for the last couple of months. But yeah, thank you very much and peace.